In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix StreamYard Echo. If you've ever gone live and heard that distracting feedback loop or a hollow, repeating sound, that's echo. It usually happens when your microphone picks up audio coming from your speakers, or when multiple devices in the same space are listening and talking at once. The good news is that StreamYard includes a built-in tool designed specifically to reduce that problem, and turning it on takes just a moment. Start by opening your StreamYard Studio. This is the place where you set up your camera, microphone, and guests before you go live or record. Once you're inside the studio, look toward the bottom or corner of the interface for the settings option. It's typically represented by a gear icon. Click Settings to open your audio and video controls. Inside the settings window, select the audio section. This is where StreamYard gathers all the controls related to sound, including your microphone selection, speaker choice, and processing features. You'll see an option labeled Echo Cancellation. This is the feature we're focusing on today. Go ahead and turn Echo Cancellation to On. With Echo Cancellation enabled, StreamYard actively listens for the kind of repetitive, reflected sound that creates feedback and echo and then reduces it in real time. Think of it as a smart filter that helps keep your voice up front while damping down the loop created when your mic hears your speakers. It's especially helpful if you're using built-in computer speakers or streaming in a room with hard surfaces that tend to bounce sound around. Once this setting is on, you should notice a cleaner, more controlled sound as you speak. The change takes effect immediately inside your studio, so there's no need to leave or refresh. This single adjustment can significantly improve your audience's listening experience by preventing that distracting, cavernous quality that pulls attention away from your message. A quick note for context. Echo cancellation uses processing to manage reflections and feedback, which can slightly alter the tone of your mic in some setups. For most creators, the trade-off is absolutely worth it, because clarity and intelligibility improve dramatically. If you use a more advanced audio chain, just be aware that this setting exists and is designed to prioritize clear communication. That's it. By opening your StreamYard Studio, going into Settings, selecting Audio, and turning Echo Cancellation on, you've taken the most effective step to reduce echo during your stream. Keep this setting in mind anytime you're preparing for a broadcast, and you'll help ensure your audience hears you clearly from start to finish.